Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a rainbow Loom fishtail bracelet. I will link all the materials in the description box down below. Hope you enjoy. These are the materials. You will need some rainbow Loom rubber bands. I will be using green and blue to make it. You will also need a C or S clip to finish off your bracelet. You can also use a charm if you wish, but this is completely optional. Let's get started. Start with one blue and cross it over your two fingers. Next, take two greens and put it on your two fingers without crossing it. Take the blue rubber band and put it over your two fingers, just like this. You might want to move it down so you can have more space to add more rubber bands. Next, take two blues and put it on your finger. Take the two greens and then put it over each finger. You can keep repeating this process until we reach the middle. Now, I'll show you how to add the charm. If you don't wish to add the charm, continue the process we did before and wait till the end of the video to see how to end it. I will be using this star charm. Take one of the rubber bands off one finger, but make sure not to let it go. Put your charm into these two bands and put it back on your finger. Now we will repeat the same process as before. Take two greens and put it over your two fingers. Take the blues underneath and put it over your two fingers. Take two blues and put it over your two fingers. Take the greens and put it over your fingers. Repeat this process until you reach your desired length. Now we will be ending the bracelet. Take the green on one side and put it on your finger. Take your C or S clip and hook it onto your rubber band on your finger. Now you can remove the band from your finger. Take the rubber band on the very end and hook your C or S clip on. Now your bracelet is finished.